Hey everyone, welcome to episode 2, Cooking with Rick and Rye. I'm Rick.
And I'm Rye.
With a Rye. Again, I got my wine. Today, beer and bongs. We're going to give you guys drunken mushrooms. Got our mushrooms, got everything ready, mise en place, everything is set.
Okay, so I am very glad that Rick used his mise en place, which means mess. Because he tries to do this whole professional, being the trained chef. So I figured I should be more professional. So
should be more professional. I'm
gonna be more professional, so I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do today. You like that, eh?
Sausage?
Sausage.
Gonna cook some sausage.
Professional this. Now I'm a chef. Let's do this.
I like it. Okay.
Drunken shrooms, let's go.
So before I cut up a little bit of garlic, I cut up a little bit of shallots. I got some red pepper here. I'll show you guys how I just do a little red pepper like this.
Is it spicy pepper?
No, just a simple red pepper. Okay, so we have our pepper. Here we have a standard shallot. I had to cut the ends off.
I'm just
You want
learning.
to do this?
No, you can do this. I'm gonna teach the people how to make one of these bad boys.
So we cut it in half.
Trim.
Take the skin off one side. Garbage right. You're closer.
What the fuck? I knew this thing was good, eh? Oh well. Look at the knife skills.
And then we
Can you cut it into a flour, roast, anything like that?
I don't do flowers.
Okay.
I do a little bit of small dice.
So you guys how to make perfect Rye Coke.
Now I get the pots ready.
Yes. He's doing his with beer or stout, whatever you want to call it. I'm making mine with Rye Coke. Why? Because it's gonna. You're gonna start off with a couple cubes. This isn't my house, so normally I have big cubes. I got ones that look like big balls. So the secret: 3 seconds of rye.
Like 1, 2, 3?
3 seconds of rye. I will show you how it's done.
Not 1, 2, 3?
And then it's 2 seconds of Coke. Okay.
1, 2? That's a short drink.
Just watch. 1 steamboat, 2 steamboat, 3 steamboat.
That's like
there.
30 seconds.
No, and the ice has to pop. Once it pops off the bottom and it starts to float, dishes are ready. So then, what did I say, 3 seconds of Coke?
I think 2.
2? Okay, you ready?
1, 2.
1, 2. Okay.
Found your steamboats.
Oh. Steamboat! There. So that's 2.
Alright.
Wait. Oh, fuck. Goo.
Correct steamboats.
Correct steamboats. We got a, what you call the mess.
Your mess. So, the mushrooms, I like to take the stem off. You can keep the stems, you can discard the stem.
Okay.
Stems on, stems off.
Stem off. Oh, can you do that right? Visual effects.
Okay.
Okay, there's someone. Stem on.
You ready?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, what do we do with the stems?
You can cook out the stems, you can throw the stems away. I'm going to cook them out. Okay, have our pans ready. We got them on low. Add a little bit of butter. So I turn it up, medium low.
I know you like a little spanking every once in a while. So what am I doing here? You guys never done this shit. So I'm just melting butter.
Coat the bottom of your pan.
Oh yeah, coating it. Oh yeah. It's like a popcorn.
So grab your garlic, shallots, and you can put as much oil as you want.
Okay, garlic.
Coating with butter.
A little shallot.
Turn it up to medium, but we don't want to burn this. We don't want any black.
We're gonna bathe these. We're gonna lubricate the garlic and the shallots. Oh yeah, it's like jelly. It's good.
You okay there? Oh, we don't want to burn the butter. We can see a little bit of bubbles in that. It's
I can't see bubble shit. I swear you give me different things than you do, so yours looks better.
You have bubbles.
Okay, I got bubbles now. Bubbles. Good. Bubbles. Oh, yeah. Oh, that smells good, eh?
Okay, so it's been a couple minutes and we've got a nice garlicky odor coming off. Not brown. I'm going to turn mine down just a bit and I just want it to flavor the butter. Okay, so I'm going to put my mushrooms in. I got a little bit of stems there and I'm going to turn mine up to about medium high. I just want to...
Okay, so what do I do? Mine's turning brown.
Right, turn it down.
What is that? What is that?
We're going to add some white wine. We're just going to reduce
just a little. Oh yeah, all these guys getting drunken and wet. Oh shit, that sounds like a date I had Wednesday. Drunken and wet.
I think that's most of your dates.
It is. Drunk, wet, food. Oh yeah.
So we're gonna let the wine evaporate. Right, turn this up just a little bit. We're gonna let the...
Are you trying to burn mine? What's yours at? Okay.
Same.
Alright.
We're gonna get rid of the wine.
Oh, let me try that.
That pan doesn't work the same way. I only have one of these pans. You're gonna get it all over you. You're gonna burn your eyeballs off.
Oh! Did you see that one? Oh yeah. F***ing master.
Okay, so now the wine is out. I'm going to add my beer. So I like to use Guinness. It's a great stout. It adds a lot of nice flavor.
You know they're not paying you to say that, by the way, eh?
No. This is just me using Guinness.
So you can use any dark beer.
Any dark beer. I just like Guinness. It's in my fridge.
And you're British?
And I'm British. So
I chose not to use Guinness.
Oh, you're not using my Guinness?
No.
I'll drink it then.
The drink that I taught everyone made, even with the ice cubes, adds a little robustness. This is gonna caramelize. It's almost like what I do on the barbecue when you make, you know, marinades and rubs and you let them tenderize and
you're adding
the sugar. Rye Coke, man.
Alright.
With the ice cubes.
Ice.
It's stellar.
You better turn this up a bit because you got a lot to evaporate. It's at the high. That's high.
Oh yeah, look at everyone's in the pool. Okay, beautiful. Look at that.
But the beer, then we're gonna add a little beef stock.
See, Richard is doing drunken mushrooms. I'm doing Saturday night
drunken mushrooms. So now we have beef stock.
Do I add that now too, or do I have to wait for my booze to calm down?
No, you can add your beef stock. Well,
good. Beef stock in. See how I did it? Different than the master chef. I did it the proper way. She's bubbling up, eh? Okay, so what happens here? I gotta know, because I gotta plan for my secret ingredients.
we have to let this reduce. We're gonna let this reduce right out.
So we're gonna let it get thick, a little sticky.
This won't get sticky.
So it's not gonna do like a caramelization.
We're gonna add other things after, a little salt, more salt after, but we're just gonna let this reduce right out. Cheers. Where's your drink?
I am gonna
Let's cheers. Let's cheers your drunken mushrooms.
Oh, mine are gonna be good. I brought my portable smoking machine.
Okay.
And I'm gonna smoke a little basil.
Nice.
With the shrimps.
So while we're waiting for these, we have some garlic here. It's just garlic. I want to roast the garlic. So, a little olive oil, lots of salt. Lots of salt. I have my baking sheet here, already prepped.
Fuck, that looks good. I could eat that right now.
So we're going to put this in a 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes.
Top shelf?
Top shelf.
What happens if you put it on the bottom?
It doesn't matter, I don't think.
Just asking for our viewers.
It might be a little bit hotter on the top than the bottom. Now I'm going to add a little bit of my red pepper that I cut up.
Oh, I want some of that.
You want some of that?
See how he spreads his evenly and just fucking chucks it in mine.
Okay, it's been about 6-7 minutes. Everything's reduced nicely. The mushrooms have absorbed everything. You ready, Rye? Next step?
Am I ready? You tell me. You're teaching me the drunken master mushrooms.
Okay, I like to add my favorite, Worcestershire.
Wash your sister sauce.
And we're just gonna put a little bit in here, maybe a couple of teaspoons. It'll just give us that nice
I think I need a bit more.
taste.
I need a bit more.
Right, you add what you need.
Oh, the secret recipe, the HP.
And I use a little bit of steak sauce. I love HP. And actually, you can add your own. I just like a little bit on there. It will help reduce and put a nice sauce on here. So we're almost ready. A little bit of pepper. Smells good, doesn't it, Rye?
Does smell
Pepper.
good. Add the pepper. Do it up.
Pepper it.
Okay. Let me pepper it.
That's some aggressive peppering there, Rye.
Huh? Some like it spicy.
So as you can see,
BAM!
once you can start putting your spoon through and it leaves a nice divot, a nice clean divot, your sauce is almost there.
I believe it's time. I'm going to use my smoker.
You're gonna smoke what?
Basil. I'm going to infuse it with smoked basil.
Okay. I'm gonna plate my drunken mushrooms.
Start off, I'm using an imported basil from the mountains of the Himalayan mountains. It's called stripper spit. Great, great basil, hard to find. Let me get my smoking machine.
Down.
Okay.
I've never seen drunken mushrooms like this.
Drunken, stoned Saturday night.
Stoned as well. Okay.
Beautiful.
Smells good, right?
And of course it smells good. How hot is it?
Okay, our garlic is nicely done. It's all caramelized. It's all nice and soft. I'm gonna add some to our drunken mushrooms. Rye, I know you love these. These are your favorite.
Yeah, they're my favorite.
Okay, Rye.
Mm-hmm.
Episode 2
Good one.
worked out great.
Did look great. Smells great.
Smells great.
Mine are the Saturday night drunken stone.
And I'm just drunken mushrooms. So let's try. Rules.
Hold on, just wait.
Don't burn your mouth.
These are fucking good. Slap my ass and call me a rock star. Those are fucking good. I want to try yours now.
They're good. They're good. I like the Coke in there.
I used my smoke machine on it. I got the Coke. I got the rye. I got the ice cubes from the well water. They do taste different.
They taste different. They're usually a little sweeter.
Wow. I'm gonna get garlic in this one.
Okay. Successful episode.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you, everybody. We'll see you for episode 3, Bacon Bros. We're going to do bacon every single way possible.
Oh, okay. We're good. We're gonna have good bacon.